I'm delighted to announce that we're opening our New York office, and it's something which has been key for me in the continued expansion of the US platform, and it's critical in terms of making our clients and our markets aware of the fact that we really do mean what we say about the vision of becoming the alternate in the reinsurance market in the United States of America. We need that office as a statement of intent and an additional facility by which we can make it easier to do business with BMS. We're going to achieve that by making it a slightly different office to any of the other offices in the US, because it's an office which is going to be primarily a commercial center. It will have primarily production people in there. I will be there when I'm in the States. It will be my base. And it's being built in such a way that it's got additional conferencing facilities and meeting rooms so that people in BMS, whether they're in the States or whether it's London personnel, can feel free to come and utilize the facilities and provide the best accessibility for their clients. We'll even offer it out to our clients and our markets. If they want to use the facility, it's there for them to be used. So we expect it to be a thoroughfare. We expect it to be somewhere where people feel welcome and able to use it at a moment's notice to carry out their business. Having an office in New York is one of the mechanisms that we need to have to get closer to the clients. And in terms of supporting it with other aspects of the work that we're doing, we're transferring reinsurance servicing out to the US, and that will be completed within the next 6 months. We've continued to build out the modeling and analytic and actuarial side of the equation so that the clients are getting the right support on that side of expertise too. And my being out in the States using New York as a base is a key part of the move as well, because I too want to be closer to the clients, and I want to be able to jump faster than anybody else when the client says jump. Whether it's the insurance sector or other sectors, it's quite often difficult to differentiate through product or service or know-how now, because people have worked hard to put the best products or services out there. But everybody likes the job of doing business with others being as easy and as straightforward and as convenient as possible, and that's where the service side of the equation comes in. And it's an area that I think is going to be a real differentiator for BMS, because for our clients, I want them to enjoy doing business with BMS more than they enjoy doing business with anybody else, and I want them to find it a more pleasing and easy experience than they find with anybody else. So that's really where servicing and accessibility to client is going to be critical. Although the build-out of the platform in the US, including the introduction of the New York office, is primarily about supporting the reinsurance business, the platform is also available for other parts of the group to utilize. So, for instance, BMS Wholesale, they hope to build a strategic and significant foothold in the US market. Pioneer, JHIS also have ambitions to build out in that area. And so the platform's also available for those people to use and for them to utilize in developing the best service and outcomes for their clients too. So although this is a reinsurance build out in terms of the platform, other parts of the group I'm sure will benefit from it too.